Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You sign in with your Google account. That's required. Once signed in, open Google Sheets in a modern browser and locate the file you need. If it's new, click the plus New Sheet button to create it. If it's shared, look under Shared with Me or search by name. Make sure you have at least viewer access before attempting edits. Request edit permission when needed. Once the sheet exists, navigate Drive or Sheets Home to find it. Use the search bar for file name or owner to speed things up. If you can't edit, right-click and choose Make a Copy to work separately or request editor access from the owner. Open the file and confirm it loads fully. Once done, check the top right Share button to view current permissions and collaborators so you understand who can change content and why. You're ready to complete work, edit cells, add comments, and watch the All Changes saved message. Google autosaves continuously. Before closing, make a local backup by downloading as XLSX or enabling offline mode so you can access it without internet. If something goes wrong, first confirm you're signed into the correct Google account, then clear browser cache or try an incognito window. If access still fails, ask the owner to reshare with your email and the correct editor permission.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.